K-Drama Fanatics here, and welcome back to my channel. The Worst of Evil. Upcoming Korean drama this September 2023. Set in the city of Seoul in 1990s, a crime action drama that follows undercover police investigators who infiltrate a massive criminal organization to take down a major drug cartel that is based on Gangnam and responsible for the illegal drug trade between Korea, China, and Japan. The plot revolves around Park Junmo, a police officer who has been chasing a criminal organization for quite some time. Despite his constant efforts, they seem to get further and further away with time. However, after discovering a clue about a former DJ who starts selling a new powerful drug nicknamed Gangnam Crystal, who supposedly form a drug cartels with the city's nightclubs as the main source of income, Park Junmo decides to infiltrate the organization to nip the problem in the bud. His wife, Yoo Ijung, who is also a police officer, appears to have a similar objectives of uncovering the secrets of this drug mafia. On one hand, Park Junmo must be careful so that his cover is not blown, and on the other hand, despite the mission's difficulty, he must secure the safety of his wife. To add more problems to the already overbearing mission, Yoo Ijung seems to have a complicated past with the boss of the criminal organization, Jung Ki-chul. Ji Chang-wook will be playing the role as Park Junmo, a dedicated police detective officer flung into a difficult situation after taking a dangerous mission of going undercover to infiltrate the Gangnam Alliance and take on a drug cartel. He will have to earn the trust of the drug lord boss, Jung Ki-chul. Im Se-mi will be playing the role as Yoo Ijung, an accomplished narcotic officer. She investigates the same crime organization as her husband, Park Junmo, and he is Jung Ki-chul's first love that will further complicate the situation and adding more tension. Wi Ha-jun played the role as Jung Ki-chul, a charismatic boss of a newly formed crime organization. He is the ruthless leader of the Gangnam Alliance who will stop at nothing to achieve success. The Worst of Evil will take you to another exciting adventure with the explosive energy of the three main cast starring Ji Chang-wook, Wi Ha-jun, and Im Se-mi. A crime, action, and thriller series with a total of 12 episodes. It will air in Disney Plus, premiere on September 27, 2023. It helmed by director Han Dong-wook and director Park Gun-bom, and written by writer Jang Min-sok. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.